In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a member from your community. First, make sure you're logged into your account and that you have the right permissions to manage your community. Usually, this means you're either the owner or a moderator with access to moderation tools. Once that's confirmed, start by opening the specific community where you want to remove the member. Take a moment to double check that you're in the correct community, especially if you manage more than one. Removing the wrong person from the wrong place can cause confusion, so it's worth that quick look. Once your community is open, look for the section or button labeled Mod Tools. This is short for Moderation Tools, and it's where all of your community management options are grouped together. Click on Mod Tools to open the moderation panel. You should now see several options related to how you manage your space. Inside the moderation panel, find and click on the option called Mods and Members. This area is dedicated to the people connected to your community. Here, you can usually see both the moderators who help you manage things and the regular members who have joined. Next, you'll want to narrow that view down to just the members. Click on the Members section. This will show you a list of everyone who is currently part of your community. Depending on the size of your community, this list might be short and easy to scan, or very long. If there's a search bar available, it can be helpful to type in the username of the person you want to remove to find them more quickly. Once you've located the member you want to remove, look to the right side of their name for a trash can icon. This icon usually represents deleting or removing something. Click on the trash icon next to that specific member. Before you click, take a second to confirm you're selecting the correct person, as this action may affect their access and ability to participate. After clicking the trash icon, you'll be prompted to confirm the removal. This is where you finalize your decision. Click on Remove to complete the process. The member will be removed from your community, and they will no longer have access as a participant, and that's it. By following these steps carefully, you can keep your community organized and make sure only the right people remain as members.